Need security solutions faster than you can say Icetouch? We've got you covered. At Icetouch Computers, we're more than just your one-stop IT solution partner. We're a team of passionate professionals committed to delivering excellence. Recently, our amazing team completed a full CCTV installation in just 2 days. That's right, 48 hours from start to finish. This isn't just about speed, it's about our dedication to delivering quality and security when you need it most. From laptops and desktops to CCTV systems and IT support, we handle it all with the same level of commitment. Got tech troubles? Call us and experience the Icetouch difference. Thank you, Team Icetouch, for your resilience and hard work. Icetouch Computers, efficiency, expertise every time. Contact us at +919 766 955 746 or +917 796 333449.